Just watch with me.
Hello, this is Watchman Lee. The show is Watch With Me, and we're jumping back in to look at the other police video about a nurse getting banned from the hospital. I don't know if that was the first one or the second one, but there's a second part to this video. So nothing else to say for the entry, because I haven't seen this. We're just going to watch it and get right into it.
You got to leave the property, not out here. You got to at least get to the sidewalk. Take your papers back. If you hit me again, I'll take your ass to jail. Just go, before you get in trouble. Go!
All of you guys are!
Put your hands
what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Are you kidding me? Stop!
She's going to jail, so got her.
Stop!
Quit resisting.
Man, please stop.
She's slippery, so turn along.
Does this belong to you? Yes, it does.
So I have no idea what's going on. I know it's at a hospital, and this lady's got an attitude. So let's keep watching and see what happened. See if they go back and explain how this started. But she's been banned from the hospital.
Get off of me! I'm going to put it right here with your bag. Get off of me! Please, no! Oh my God. This is exactly why I'm here. Because you guys did this to me.
I told you just to leave. And you didn't leave. You turned around and came back at me. So we're going to go to jail now. Let's go. Asked you to leave 4 times. All you do is leave. You're causing a problem to the point that they called us. Well,
You scared me.
stay right here. And then just hold her for a second, please.
Stop. Why are you guys doing this to me? Stop. I did it.
Stop it. Get in.
I can't.
Step up on the step. Step up in the car.
See? That's what happens when we have communication, right?
Put your feet in.
Pretty sure stop, turn around is pretty clear.
Yeah. Do I have to pull you into the car? Can we act like a grown-up, please?
No, because I'm looking at this guy because I remember him. You, I don't.
I don't even know who you are, so put your feet
Exactly. Why don't you try to figure that out first?
I don't.
Why don't you try to figure
Discharge, and then came storming out of the room, said, how the do I get out of here? Get me the out of here. And I directed her towards the exit. She went to the lobby, and then maybe 5-10 minutes later, she starts throwing.
You just want her to leave, right?
That's it.
We would like her to leave, yes.
Okay.
And would you call the people that brought me here is what I'm asking.
Ma'am, nobody.
This lady, I brought myself. I brought myself in, correct, ma'am?
Is that your phone over there on the floor?
That is my phone, and I will not talk to you.
Ma'am, I have no way to call anyone.
Leave the property. Leave
You
the
are a
property.
hell
Leave
place.
the property or you're going to jail. Last
I
time
will
I'm telling
not.
you.
I'm good.
You wanna go to
This
jail?
is wrong.
Leave. Now.
Funny asshole.
Did she hit anybody with anything? Throw it at
Not
anybody?
to my knowledge, no. The security guard, he said he was not injured. She was just like,
Can we check if she hit the security guard with something? He was the gentleman standing on the... She threw something at him. I don't know if
she
she
was just
hit
throwing
him.
stuff around, but I don't know if he was. He said he was not injured,
Okay.
but I didn't ask if he was actually had anything thrown at him. Didn't actually physically assault anybody.
Okay.
Just verbally. The people who made her come, I don't have any idea how she got here.
And then you guys asked her multiple times to leave the lobby.
That's correct.
Then
And I
you
said,
called us because she was refusing to leave.
correct.
Hello. Did she hit you?
No.
Did she throw something at you?
No.
Self? At who? At him? Why is he telling me no?
He's not confrontational.
I know, but so she walked in on her own and just started all this stuff. Gotcha. Did she break anything, or she just throw stuff everywhere?
She just threw stuff.
Okay, I'm just making sure that we don't have like a battery charge. Okay, doesn't look like it.
I wouldn't have even minded if she waited for a ride or needed us to call somebody, but I don't know what triggered her. She just all of a sudden started throwing stuff.
She had to get off the property. She's still on the property. She started walking away, but then she came back and got in my face, so.
I don't understand why you're doing this. I can't understand.
I asked you to leave like 4 times.
But you have to understand, you yelling at me like that is like not, like I just...
I didn't yell at you till you came back inside and started yelling at me and the security guard and everybody else in there. I don't know, 5, 6 times if you need to leave because they don't want you here and you're trespassing. I don't know how much nicer I need to be. I wasn't rude. You were rude from the minute I got here.
You have to see where it's coming from, is where I'm saying. Not that it excludes any behavior, but this is what you have to understand. When I wake up and this is what it is, and then I have you yelling at me, then what am I supposed to do?
Well, I didn't yell.
No,
I didn't yell. I asked you nicely to leave. You just kept ignoring me and yelling at everybody inside. You're causing a disturbance.
Because I'm coming to a place thinking I'm going to get a medical procedure done, which I do, which my eyes are open, but now how do I get home?
And
I'm supposed to call someone. I can't see.
okay. And if you were nice and talked to me and said I need help.
Not after. No, I will not.
Okay. You can just sit here and calm down again. Just throw stuff at him?
No.
Oh, she said that
Because I asked him straight up, she's
threw
like,
a wallet.
did she throw anything at you? He's like, no. Did she hit you? No. And I looked at the footage, and the footage, she like tossing stuff around the place, but nothing like, I didn't see anything specifically at the guy.
I got here, I asked her to leave multiple times, and she just kept yelling and screaming. Starts walking away. I'm like, just get off the property. That's all you gotta do.
She was in the lobby, just
I have her name on her discharge paperwork.
throwing papers all over the place.
Yeah.
Not like at anybody. Yeah, disorderly. Resisting too.
I mean, technically she was trespassing. As of now, I'm gonna hit her with trespassing and resisting.
Hello.
There's something's going on now. Now, it might not be mental illness, might be emotional illness, because people can't cope with what's going on in the world. And it's not getting any easier. We got to learn how to cope, how to release stress, and not be wound up all the time. So many people want to yell and complain and shout and tell you what's going on in their world, but they don't want to listen to anything you say. So we're going to have these conflicts going on. And one thing we need to get back doing is having the police come into school, elementary school, middle school, police come and they talk to people. They understand. They tell them what they do. And the kids learn to understand it. And the police is not just some evil force that comes in. So I think that'll help with police interactions. And so many people just have a hatred for police. And it's not explained. It's not understandable. But I mean, everyone feels the way they feel. But nobody wants to be hated against. So if you feel like someone is being racist or sexist or anything like that, but then you judge a group, you're in the same boat that those people who are that judge you. All right, let's get back into it.
Hi.
Hi.
My name's Joanna. How are you? What's your first name?
Amber.
Amber. Okay. So I'm going to take you out of the car because I'm going to search you.
Can you call my mom? Can you call this place that is supposed to drop me off?
I don't know what's going on right now, right? I'll figure that out. Right now, I just have to search you. Do you have anything that's going to poke me?
No, I don't.
Okay. Are you gonna be
An asshole? Because that's how what you guys are doing to me. And you wonder why I freaked the f out when this guy's yelling at me.
Anything. I just got here, and I'm not involved in whatever's making you angry.
Right.
So I'll help you down just so you don't get hurt.
tussle.
So here's what you have to do. Why are you trying to push me off of you?
Because I don't want anyone on me.
I don't want anything to happen to you.
I'm not 2, I'm 45.
Well, I haven't seen that yet.
So let's not talk like a little 2-year-old.
I'm talking so that you hear all of my words.
Oh, perfect. Let me go.
I don't know what happened before I got here, but I'm not the one. I've been very respectful. Okay, get in. Get in.
You
Put
have
your
no
feet in. Come on.
assholes.
Okay.
You assholes.
Quit kicking my car.
You.
I'll charge you with another charge.
I don't care. Assholes. Might as well make it worth something, huh? Son of a. Want your car up for you, you asshole.
Stop.
What?
Because you need to behave.
Stop!
You're gonna get hot.
I'm gonna tie your feet to your hands.
Stop! Get this
Put your
guy
feet-
away.
put
Get
your
him
feet on the
away.
ground. Put your feet on the ground.
Get
and
the
I'll door.
away.
Kick the door again, you're gonna go in hovel. I'm leaving.
Amber was charged with battery on an officer, resisting and disorderly conduct. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
I think they need to hobble more people. Once you hobble them and they can't move anything, they calm down. And I think that's what people need. They're so wound up, they're just going off and they're lashing out at the world, but they need to be wrapped up and just be at peace with themselves. So many people, they're constantly on the phone, they're just screaming, and they're not taking the time to think about what's going on around them. Every time you handcuff them, leave them in the car, or you hobble them, they start to calm down. They cry, they get their emotions out, then they try to figure out what they got to do to get out of the situation. But it's not craziness. They calm down. Well, most of the time. All right, this is Watchman Lee. The show's Watch With Me. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the YouTube things. Let's build this channel up and keep it going. Good night.